So hello everyone, my name is Parvas Suagia and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are solving LeetCode problem number 219, contains duplicate 2. So in that problem we have given an vector nums. In that vector we have to find duplicate, but there is a condition that the duplicate should be within the range of k. Like in example 1, 1 is repeating and it is within the range. You can see there is only difference of 2, so we are returning true. And also you can see in example 3, 1, 2 and 3 all are repeating, but still we return false because the range is only 2 and the difference is greater than 2 or greater than or equal to 2, so we have to return that. So it is a simple brute force approach, but we have to add condition in nested loop. So let's check. And we also have to check that j is less or equal I plus k. This is that formula you can see, and then also we have to increment that j. And then we have to check that in if condition, that if nums of I is equal nums of j, then we have to return true, and if it is not, then we have to return false. So you can see our code is correct. So thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe.